Well, all right, we're going to talk about three things today. First, we're going to go over the markets, and it's not looking pretty. Secondly, I got a really nice message from one of you guys, so I want to make sure I put it up and I show you guys what that looks like. And third, because of that message, I'm going to make a commitment to follow through with the request. It's kind of a challenge accepted type of deal, so here we go. Taking a look at the markets. It is all red. It's still red. I keep saying that this is a bear market and people don't want to listen. But when you see Bitcoin under $30,000, Ethereum sitting at what? Well, $1,788. That's not a good look. And you know, Cardano, my lovely ADA right there at 107. Man, like that is a really good price for ADA. 106, even better price now. But you know, it boils down to when are you looking to get out? Because if you get in now, you can ride this out and make money long term for sure. These numbers are pretty low in comparison to what things are really worth. You're just gonna have to wait. Personally, I have a few projects that I've told you guys about that I'm really invested in, and they're actually in the green, so I'm okay. I'm doing fine. I told you when I was gonna cash out, and I did, and I'm following a couple of things, you know, a couple of projects that I'm really excited about, so I got those on my hopper, and I'm happy, right? Again, this is not financial advice because you're not paying me, but I do share what I do with my investments so that you can make good, you know, decisions yourself. And the best decisions you can make and start out with is research. Find out what you're actually putting your money into. At the end of the day, that's the easiest way that people lose money. They go all in stuff that they have no idea about. So do your research. I'm on YouTube. It's great. I actually do my research. I can tell you that I spent a lot of time looking into things. It's not always the case with other YouTubers. So beyond the FOMO that these people create, do your own research. Now, here's the message. I was pretty blown away that somebody was, you know, reached out to do this for me. Take a look.
What's up, you guys? It's Graham on Cameo here, and first of all, I want to say congratulations on growing the channel now. I see almost 500 subscribers. We gotta get you to 1,000 though. So if you're watching this right now, I don't know who's watching this, but just make sure to subscribe. We gotta get to 1,000 subscribers, and we have to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you are going to try to convince your significant other to invest in crypto, what would you say? I don't know the answer to this. So maybe I could learn the answer with you guys. So how about that? Subscribe, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps out a ton. And yes, thank you guys so much for your support. And I really appreciate it.
Well, if you guys don't know who that is, that's Graham Stephan. He's got a pretty big YouTube following. He's at 3.3 mil when it comes to subscribers. He's got a lot of things going for him, and I'm really appreciative. You guys in the community are awesome. Thanks for sending me this thing. It's pretty exciting to get something like that. And to the question that he asked, how do you get your significant other to invest in crypto? And I'll just make it general, investments in general. Here's what I gotta say about that.
Challenge accepted.
No.
That's right, we're gonna do this, and just like he said, challenge accepted. That's exactly what's gonna take place, and we'll do it in two parts. I will do part A, what are the things you should know? What are the things you need to prep? What are the things that you need to say to your significant other? And then part two, I'll make sure to do a very exclusive video where you can sit your spouse down and say, honey, watch this video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I know it might sound complicated, it might sound convoluted, but here's this guy on the internet that thinks he knows about things. Watch him. He'll give you a little bit of insight. He helped me, and he can help you. So hopefully you guys can help me with that and make that blow up. But that's it. I'm going to make sure this happens. Thank you so much to this amazing community for, you know, supporting me. I know that Graham talked about how my channel is almost at that, you know, 500 mark. But if we really go back here and we looked at it, oh, it's at 547. So the growth on the channel has been exponential lately, and I'm super appreciative of the people that have been joining, leaving comments and feedback, because again, at the end of the day, I want to make this the best possible experience for all of us. So thank you for that. In addition, there is the other channel that I don't always talk about, but this is the other channel. This is my Action Studio channel, which I have almost 1,000 subscribers on there. I'm not necessarily talking about crypto on this one, but I cover stuff that's fun, stuff that's exciting. I guess you can call it the Action Studio Variety Show. Yeah, let's call it the variety show. That's a good way to look at it. At the end of the day, guys, money really moves the world, right? Like, I don't love money. I love what I can do with money. And that's the way you should look at it too. Like, crypto is amazing because it gives opportunities for people that don't have a way previously to get into investments, to get into things that are a little bit bigger than them. And crypto's just changing all that. Talking to people in the community, people that are just making thousands, millions from small investments. This is what's going to level the playing field as long as you're playing the game the right way. But it's just an amazing opportunity. And like I said before, I love what money can do. Money really is amoral. And I've mentioned this before. It's not about money. It's about what money can do for you and for others. There's nothing better than to be able to go to sleep at night and not worry what's going to happen, as far as, financial needs are concerned. Not have to worry about, will I be able to make my, pay my rent? Will I be able to make the next car payment? Making good financial decisions goes a long, long way. And I've been so excited to meet so many people who are, I guess you can say, financially conservative, that want to be careful with the way they spend money and be wise with their expenditures. At the end of the day, I am so proud of all of you, and I want to be able to help you. I want to be able to show you how to make the best of your investments, to make the best of what you have, because you might say, well, I don't have a lot of money. That doesn't matter. It's not about how much money you have. It's about what you do with what you do have. And I've mentioned that before, and I'm going to say it again. It's something that I will stick by till the end. I promise you. It doesn't matter how much money I make. Doesn't matter how successful I am. I'm going to always encourage you and myself to do the right thing, to make sure that I'm making good decisions and moving forward. And I'll bring up a few stories of people that I've helped along the way, because I think those are super important to help move everybody else forward. But when it comes to speaking to your spouse about crypto, I will cover that too. So thank you so much. I appreciate the support. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you smash that like button. Actually, I should play that.
We have to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm.
Y'all are awesome. I'm going to leave it here, and y'all have a great one, and I'll see you next time. Bye. That's right. I'm going to cover this one and make sure that I go in depth as to how do you do it. Let's do 2 videos. So we'll do 2, right? We'll do 1 video as to what are the things you should say, and another video as far as this video you should share with them, and these are the things that they need to know. That way, you can prep yourself and prep your significant other, and you can win together.